Severe weather moves east, bringing some of those wind, lightning, hail, and possibility of tornado to the northeast this evening. This is meteorologist Steve Krasnowski for your weather briefing Storm Scoop. It is Friday, happy Friday, September 21st, 2018. It's around 9 a.m. So, quick video today. There's only a couple features going on, and have a couple of things we want to get rolling out to our clients. So, quick video today. Looking here at the northeast, this is going to be the main area of weather concern today. Here's that cold front that will be bringing in that cooler air, that more fall-like air this weekend throughout the northeast. This line of showers and thunderstorms were associated with what we talked about yesterday in the Midwest. In our discussion, we talked about some tornadoes, two tornadoes, one in Rochester, Minnesota, the other one in Elysian, Minnesota. National Weather Service is going to go out there and take a look, see, how far it went, what exactly touched down, in terms of strength and category and whatnot. So as this moves east, I think we're going to put our line for really enhanced severe possibilities in this window here. And then areas east of that, we'll probably just see a possible significant sort of outlook. Not significant, just possible thunderstorm outlook. So, associated with these storms today, hail, not as widespread as yesterday, probably not as significant, but small hail, heavy winds, rain. Shouldn't see too much rain. It should be fairly brief, but with the winds, you could see them coming sort of that straight line sheet sort of way. So downpours will be hard, but they'll be pretty brief. And then we'll dry out, and we'll have some of that fall-like weather moving in. Otherwise, we've just kind of been playing around with the idea of this thermal clash that would lead to some sort of storm, whether it's a hybrid storm or just something. Still playing with it. So basically, when you have those two air masses that are fairly different, one being tropical of nature with a good shot of cold air coming in, we're going to have something pieced together. So this is Sunday, and I'm just going to put us into motion until I think Tuesday is Monday afternoon is what we're looking at here. The interaction will probably happen around the panhandle of Florida, and then it kind of gets lit up and brings some rains to the area. I think we're still too far out to see exactly what's going on here. The surface isn't really something we're really going to play around with anyway. I'm not even going to the upper levels. I mean, this is 10 days out, but something that I think needs to keep an eye on. It's being fairly consistent and showing up in some form. Now it's about putting it together and piecing it together to make it something. So, sorry, right there, had some problems with the screen. So we have higher pressure to the north and low pressures to the south. The tropical disturbances and deep warmth in the tropical moist air down there will clash with the strong, colder thermal gradients, and perhaps we'll have some of that upper level energy move through, and you can get that zone where they'll clash, and then this area will, like I said, will light up, and hopefully we can see a trough come in and push this system on and out. This won't be our only attempt at doing this. We'll have all of October and November and January and even February before it starts warming up. Think of it like the clash where you're talking about lake effect snows and the waters and the extreme cold temps and the warm waters from the lakes and what that does. So just something to keep an eye out on. We talk a lot about the remnants of Florence and that whole mess in our discussion. We talk about the pattern change in our discussion. So things to keep you busy today as we look forward to some systems next week. It'll keep us on our toes. So I am meteorologist Steve Krzyzanowski for Weather Briefings. This was your Storm Scoop. Have a great day, great weekend.